Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we're going to be showing you how to draw
Incredible Hulk.
the Incredible Hulk. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel. If you've got any comments and suggestions, drop them in the box below. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin. Okay, so let's get a purple pen.
What?
There we go. One for you, one for me.
Can I have this one?
Yeah? Okay, and about here, we're going to do the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to do a big circle there for one eye, and another big circle there for the other eye. Let's hope I've got enough space for all his muscles. Okay, so here I'm going to do a curved line that side, and I'm going to do another curve that side. Yeah, that's looking good. Does look a bit freaky. He's very cross, and then we're going to do another little circle inside the big circle like that. Okay, and then for his eyebrows, I'm going to do a line coming out like that, like a curved diagonal line that bends in that way. And then just about here, I'm going to do a little curved line for his nose. Okay, and then here, kind of like, imagine like an upside down D, but the edges have been rounded off. So we're kind of going to go something like that. And then I'm going to do like a curved line. So it's going to go curved and straight for his teeth, like that. And then curved and straight like that. And then I'm going to do like a little dot in the back, which is going to be like him shouting, like the back of his throat. Okay, and because he's angry, sometimes when people get angry, they like the vein on their head sort of pulses. So I'm going to do a curved line like that, and then another curved line that way, and then another curved line like that, and that's going to be like the vein on his head.
Look,
okay.
there's a mark like that.
Yeah, looks like he's got throbbing with stress. Okay, and then we're going to do the cheeks. So I'm going to go down and round like that. So it's going to be curved and then straight and then curved. So I'll tell you what, let's do straight line first like that, and then a curve that way for his cheeks, and then another curve that way for his cheeks. And then here, it's like pointing sort of slightly at an angle in. I'm going to do another little curved line that way, and another little curved line that way. Looking good. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do... No, yours looks great. So we're going to remember this is like a cutesy Hulk. It's not going to be a scary Hulk. So we're starting here, and I'm going to do a curve round, and it's going to join there. So behind that line here, curve round, and then it's going to join there like that. And we're going to do one this side, curve round, and then join there like that. Brilliant. And then just here I'm going to do like a backwards letter C like that, and the same that side. Okay, now we're going to do the hair. So I'm going to do like a diagonal line that way, a little small one, and then kind of like oval shapes. So I'm going to do an oval like this, and then an oval like that. And then I'm going to do a diagonal line going this way. That's good. And then it's going to go up like that, and then it's going to join with that line like that. So that's kind of like his part. No, that's great. Okay, don't worry. So behind the ear, do a little straight line there. And now I'm going to do a curve just above it, and then another curve like that, and then another curve like that. So his hair looks all shaggy and messy. So I'm going to do another little curve this way, then I'm going to do a bigger one like that, and then I'm going to do a small one going behind his ear. Okay, so that's his grumpy face. So now we're just going to do his neck, and we're just going to suggest his neck by doing a little diagonal line that way and a little diagonal line that way. Okay. And then just here, either side like that, he's got pectoral muscles. So we're going to do kind of like a V shape at an angle. So I'm going to do a V shape like that. And on the other side, I'm going to do another V shape like that. All right. And then from here, we're going to do a curve like that. And on this side, I'm going to do another curve like that. Okay. And then under this V shape, we're kind of going to do another curve. So it's going to go that way and round, which is going to be his thumb. So we go like that and like that. And another one this way, so it kind of mirrors. Okay. And then in here, I'm going to do like another little V. And there I'm going to do another little V like that. Okay, and then we're going to do his fists. So I'm going to do like a loop, kind of a bit like bananas really. So I'm going to loop round like that. On this side I'm going to loop round like that. And now I'm going to do another one. And now I'm going to do another one. And now I'm going to do one more, like that. Like that. Okay. And then, yeah, that's looking good. And then at the tip of these bits, I'm just going to do like a little crisscross, which is going to be that bit of his hand. Okay, like that. And then if you look at the back of people's hands, there's like little bones. So I'm going to do a straight line that way. And then another line like that and like that. Okay. Okay. So from where that line there is, I'm going to do another curved line like that. And on this one, from here, I'm going to do another curved line like that. Okay. And see where his wrist would be? That's where the wrist would be, about here. I'm going to do a curved line going up to here, like that. And then on this one, we're going to do the same thing. So from about here, I'm going to do a curved line that's going to go up to there, like that. Okay, so now you can see his forearms are starting to take shape. So from here, I'm going to do a line that goes round and joins up to there. And the same here, from here, round and joins up. Okay, so from behind his ears, I'm going to do a curved line going up like that, and that's basically his big muscular shoulders. Okay, I'm going to do another one like that. And then what we're going to do for where his elbows are, we're going to do another curved joining like that. And like that. Okay, so now we've got to do his chest.
Like a coat.
That looks great. It looks good. It does look like he's got a big bulky coat on, yeah, because he's just full of meat, isn't he? Right. So now here I'm going to do a curve going that way and a curve going that way, like that. And then,
mountain.
Yeah, like a mountain. Yeah, that's a good description. And I'm going to do like a slightly curved line, so it's almost like an A just there.
Yeah, capital.
Yeah, and like a capital A. And then down here, he's got his abdominal muscles. Okay, so I'm going to draw a straight line down, and then I'm going to do two straight lines across. So those are like his 6 abdominal muscles. And then see from this finger to there, this is going to be the top of his trousers. So I'm going to do a curved line that way, like that. Okay, and then on his chest, I'm going to give him another like throbbing vein because he's cross. So I'm going to do a curve that way, a curve that way, and another curve that way, like that. Okay, now to do his legs. So I'm going to do like a loop just here below, what would you call that? Like a 2 T's or something. So I'm going to go like that, okay? And then I'm going to do a loop coming out and round. So it's going to go round and back like that. Okay, and on that side I'm going to go round and back like that. And then I'm going to...
Like an octopus.
Yeah, a bit like an octopus. And then I'm going to do a little curved line just coming in that way. And then we're going to do his like jagged trousers. So we're going to do like, because he always rips his trousers when he transforms. Okay, so we're going to go zigzag like this and have it stick out a little bit like that. We'll do the same here, zigzag, zigzag, zig, like that. And then we'll just do 3 lines for his toes. 1, 2, 3. We go 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. So now I think it's time for us to colour him in. Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. That is fantastic. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. We've got more tutorials coming up, so stick with us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.